This is what owning a pool should feel like. A clean pool, clear water, everything ready whenever you want to jump in there. But this is what it actually turns into. Leaves collect in the corners, dirt settles on the floor, the water line starts building up grime, and before you know it, you're spending your weekend cleaning instead of enjoying your pool. The thing is, cleaning a pool isn't difficult. It's just constant. You have to stay on top of it. So I decided to test something that claims to make pool maintenance almost completely hands-free. This is the iGarden Pool Cleaner M1. Right out of the box, it's simple to use. There are no hoses to connect, no cables to untangle, and no complicated process to set it up. You charge it, drop it into the water, that's pretty much it. For something that's packed with this much technology, the setup couldn't be any easier. The first thing I wanted to test was a complete cleaning cycle. And this is where you start to see what makes this cleaner different. It isn't moving around randomly. It's following a structured cleaning strategy. The robot starts by cleaning the walls and the water line and then automatically transition down to the floor. For my tests, I activated the walls and water line mode first. Once that was completed, the cleaner transitioned into the floor cleaning using this pattern, S-path pattern, combined with AI touch-up cleaning. Watching the time lapse was actually pretty impressive because you can clearly see how methodical the movement is. It isn't guessing where to go next, it's covering the pool with purpose. And by the end of the cycle, it had cleaned everything from the water line all the way down to the pool floor without missing a spot. But where this thing really starts to stand out is when you introduce a mess. For this test, I dropped a large amount of pony beads into the pool because they show up really well on camera and make it easy to see exactly what the cleaner is picking up. What impressed me was that it didn't treat the entire pool the same way. Instead, it identified where the debris was concentrated, adjusted its path, and went directly after it, especially at the deeper end of the pool. That's the AI target system in action. Rather than wasting time cleaning already clean areas, it focuses on where the mess actually is. And after the cleaning cycle was complete, every single pony bead I dropped into the pool ended up inside the filter basket. That was a really easy way to see just how effective the pickup performance actually is. The reason it can do that comes down to what's happening at the front of the robot. It's not following a program route. It's actually seeing. The iGarden Pool Cleaner M1 uses bionic AI dual camera vision with 2 underwater cameras that work together to build a 3-dimensional understanding of the pool environment. As it moves through the pool, it's constantly detecting obstacles, recognizing boundaries, identifying debris, adjusting its path in real time. Whether it's navigating corners, slopes, walls, changing elevation, it knows exactly where it is and what it's doing. It always seems to know exactly where it is. And that's where the technology starts feeling less like a pool cleaner and more like a smart robot. Behind all of that is a dedicated quad-core neural engine. The robot is processing all of that visual information directly onto the device itself. There are no cloud servers involved. There are no delays waiting for information to be sent somewhere else and processed. Everything happens on board in real time. And something I actually appreciate is all of that camera data stays on the device. This privacy-first AI approach means your visual data isn't constantly being uploaded somewhere else. It's doing all of the smart work locally while keeping your information private. It's one of those features you don't think about every day, but it's nice knowing that it's there. Now let's talk about something you absolutely will notice: battery life. The iGarden Pool Cleaner M1 can run up to 16 hours on a single charge. And that matters because it completely changes how often you have to interact with the robot. Combined with the built-in AI timer, you can schedule automatic cleaning every 24, 48, or 72 hours. So instead of remembering to start a cleaning cycle every few days, you simply choose your schedule and let the robot handle the rest. Depending on the cleaning interval you choose, that can translate into up to 30 days of hands-free pool maintenance. No reminders, no routines, no constantly thinking about whether your pool needs attention. It just quietly keeps working in the background. Power is another area where a lot of cordless pool cleaners struggle. Usually, if you increase suction, you sacrifice battery life. If you increase battery life, you sacrifice cleaning performance. The iGarden Pool Cleaner M1 approaches that differently. It uses a dual force flow system with two motors working together. Instead of one motor doing all the work, the workload is shared, which allows the cleaner to maintain strong suction while still operating efficiently. The result is powerful pickup performance without the battery penalty that usually comes with it. And that's a combination that's surprisingly hard to find these days. That cleaning power would not matter if the filtration system couldn't keep up. Thankfully, it can. The cleaner uses a dual-layer filtration system designed to capture both larger debris and smaller particles, leaves, dirt, fine debris, and even all of those pony beads that dropped into the pool ended up inside the filter basket. But what impressed me even more is that performance stays consistent as the basket fills. Instead of losing suction and slowing down, the system is designed to maintain steady flow and continue cleaning effectively. So you spend less time worrying about clogs and more time letting the robot do its job. Movement is another area where this cleaner performs really well. The dual grip traction system gives it excellent grip on pool surfaces. It climbs walls confidently. It transitions across slopes smoothly. It doesn't seem to struggle with the kinds of surfaces that typically cause robot cleaners to slip. That traction is a big reason why it can achieve complete floor, wall, and waterline coverage. It simply stays planted and keeps moving. After spending time with it, I think the biggest thing isn't the technology, it's the convenience. The cameras are impressive, the AI is impressive, the battery life is impressive, but what really stands out is that you stop thinking about your pool, you stop worrying about when you last cleaned it, you stop wondering if debris is collecting somewhere, you stop adding another task to your weekend. The pool just stays clean. And honestly, that's exactly what a robotic pool cleaner should do. And finally, it's backed by a 3-year warranty. That's a nice level of confidence from the company, and it gives you some peace of mind knowing that you covered for a long time. So if you're looking for a robotic pool cleaner that combines intelligent navigation, strong cleaning performance, long battery life, and genuinely hands-free operation, the iGarden Pool Cleaner M1 is definitely worth a look. Check it out using the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.